I show you my collections, my Tonka collections, my Hot Wheels collections, my coin collections, my bills collection, and my stamps collection, my firearms collection to hunt many animals, and my air rifle collection today. Yes, this is another wonderful air rifle. Spring barrel barrel is Gamo, made in Spain. Gamo, made in Spain. Wonderful is a Delta Force model. Delta Force model is a 22 caliber and is very nice shooting and breaking birds, duck birds, geese birds, dog birds, quails, mountain quails, rabbits, wildcats, and everyone do you want to kill. And control pets, and many animals. Deers, I think what I can hunt deers with this air rifle is too large, long range, and it's not heavy. It's smooth. The shoot is smooth, very smooth lighting. Well, one more I have my duck birds decoys carrier decoys. Let me show you my carrier decoys, duck birds and geese birds too. Merry Christmas to everybody this season. Christmas season. We are in Christmas season. This is my bag carrier, ducks, birds, decoys. Yes, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Let me show you many. It's a big bag. What I have here, look at this. Flambeau, decoy, that bird is wonderful, is nice, is exactly what I need to hunt many ducks, birds this season. This is a wonderful season to hunt many birds, ducks, and with air rifle. But it's a little strong problem. This decoy was made in China. Flambeau, this name of this decoy, was made in China. That is United States products. Was in 1960, 1970, 1980 to 99. But then, today, was made in China. What I say, China was a round and a super dark bird. And you hear me? The next. Oh boy, another more. I have 24 duck bird decoys. 24. And it's beautiful. The color is beautiful. And was made in China, what I said. Can you hear me? Democrats? People? Community? We need make our products, not our own products, with words made in USA. Can you see it? Huh? It's too stupid, and and funky. And funky. You like me? You like this? Yes, it's beautiful. But was made in China. Wrong. Wrong way. Wrong trademark. Chinese. Chinese. Terrible, terrible. Fucker. Fucker, fucker. Did you hear me, no? Yes. What can I do for the United States today? Donald J. Trump is a making America great. When he said America first, that's all. It's not only for the United States. The United States to the world, and the world to the United States. This little duck bird decoy can be made in China, yes, but why don't have the words made in USA, made in USA? It can say made in USA, not China. It can be made in China, yes, but with the words made in China, please, the next time. And the Cora decoys are made in United States of America or China too. I promise the next time buy my decoys made in USA. USA is the wonderful and beautiful and the best country of the world. Who said the other thing is wrong. It's very, very wrong. To hunt many animals, our decoys made in USA. With a rifle, with a firearms, but do you want to hunt many animals in the season? In the season. Not out the season of the season over. No, in the season. The ducks and geese season is right. Hunting. With a rifle, with shotguns, with handguns, with machine guns. No, machine guns, no. That's terrible, and stupid. Yes? If you have your semi-automatic shotgun, only 3 shots. Only 3 shots in the magazine. Yes? Only 3 shots in the magazine. To hunt the ducks and geese, only 2 shots. Only 2 shots. To push the trigger 2 times only. No more. No more. If you want to be the best huntman or hunters, use the over and under or side-by-side shotgun or one-shot shotgun. It's a wonderful, it's the best and more. And you want to have your birds in your bag, more birds in your bag. Okay, Merry Christmas, and have a nice night, and have nice dreams, and dreams you're hunting. Thank you very much, and get me a light.